How to find out the length of each string in the list. I've written a program and I want to check how it works. So I give the word here: success, life, goal, habit, and hard work. So we can see the length of each string. So how we make the program. So first of all, we clear it for our easy understand. So first of all, it takes a list string as the input. So we makes the variable. I take it as a cars variable, and for input, what we input car brand, and keeps in under the string and so append the list and we take the 5 input from the user by while loop, while length of cars less than 5, so print you chosen 5 brand name of cars and for find out the length for car in cars, we print out, we take f string for car equal to length of car. So check out. First we take the name BMW or Porsche or Volkswagen, Toyota or Ferrari. So we can check the length of each string. Thank you.